Shut up and sit down.
Hello, world.
Welcome to our channel, where we take a closer look to anything and everything.
Nothing is off limits.
This is Everything Electrified with Hiba and James. Welcome back to the channel. It looks like our friends from Hanshaw sent us something else because it is already 82 degrees before noon has hit in Texas. It is very, very hot here. And last summer we did get this nifty little sun roof thing cover that goes all the way back and out. Helps so much in the heat, especially because I have black seats in my Tesla, so the heat is just like an oven in here. So you press the button. There's a button in the back too. It goes front and back, but you know, there's still a lot of exposed windows here. It is like a glass box, and our friends at Hanshaw sent us this for the windshield now. So we're gonna install this on the windshield, and then it should have a button that should make it come up automatically and leave when we don't want. There's a lot of wasted space here with the Tesla, so it looks like adding this accessory is gonna have us always have this nice little shade come up when we need it in the summertime, because it is only gonna get hotter. It is just June, so it is going to go to 100 plus this summer. Let's get this installed. All right, so it looks like from the package we got some accessories here that we're gonna need, some clips and things and supporting material, and this is the actual one. It is very thin. Like, I'm gonna be honest, like, I have small hands and I can grip around this, so it is very thin, which is good. I don't want anything bulky or weird. It is black. Perfect for my Tesla because we are in a black Tesla, so it's gonna blend right in. I do like that. And it looks like this thing right here, this is the button, so you can like retract it or untract it, right? It has a little, I guess, a Velcro feeling on the back to it, so you can stick it on wherever you want. And then here, this is the OBD2 port. Now, older model Teslas do not have an OBD2 port right down there where the driver's side is. They don't have it. Mine is a 2025 Model Y, and anything newer 2025, I think Model Ys and stuff will have the OBD2 port, so you might want to check it out on the Hanshaw website to see if your car is compatible with this. There are more OBD2 ports in the car, so it is not just limited there, but you would have to run more wire. So what we're gonna do is, essentially, we're gonna install it here, make sure it's grippy and it can't move. We're gonna run the wire through here, right? We're gonna run the wire through here, okay? And it's gonna go right into that port right down there. And then we'll keep, I guess, the button somewhere here so we can just boop, press it, and it should be an easy install. Let's get to it. All right, guys, so once you have the suction cup there, I have it ready on that side. It's not secured, but I have it ready. So once you have the suction cup up there and it's even, you have to loosen this up with this little screw here so you can move this around, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove the sticker here. So this is the adhesive. I'm gonna push it towards the grill like this, and then I'm gonna tighten up that screw. So this side won't go anywhere. So when you're like accelerating, you don't want this to come flying back. But I'm gonna be honest, it's the Texas sun and the heat. It's already hot in here. It's like 100 plus degrees in here because I don't have the AC or anything on, so it's already so hot. So I don't know how well this adhesive is gonna do, so maybe follow so you can see the review in like a month or something to see if it's actually holding up. So I always do a follow-up review with the accessories after I start using them. So let me go ahead and get this going. All right, I was able to remove the sticker and stick it down, so I'm just gonna tighten this up with the screwdriver so it's stuck here. So this one is actually fully secured. For now, it is very secured. It is not moving, okay? So for now, it's very secured. We'll see in the Texas sun how this adhesive holds up. Let's go ahead and do the other side. All right, on this side, it's gonna be something similar. We're gonna remove this sticker and then we're gonna secure it. The suction cup is already by the window. The arrow is pointing up, so we have the direction correct. It is all the way down there. That side is secured already. Let's go ahead and finish this up. All right, so I got that secured down there, and I'm gonna go ahead and tighten this up so it can't move. And then I'm going to give it the old little test. Yeah, pretty secured for now. Okay, so once you have this secured in the dash, right, you run this wire down here. You're gonna have your OBD2 port down here, right inside behind those lights. There's going to be a little hole. You plug this in here, that's it. Now you can see that my thing plugs in there, but actually there's nothing here. I can stick my whole hand up there and there's nothing. It's an empty hole. So my car doesn't come with it, even though it's a 2025 model. So that means, is all hope lost that you can't use this? Absolutely not. I actually was able to buy this, which is a adapter, you could say, OBD2 port to the 12 volt cigarette lighter, 12 volt, whatever you want to call it. So we're gonna run that across here. Hopefully I have enough. If I don't have enough wire, I have another plan for that. So stay with me. Okay, before we start, putting all these wires away and hiding them behind the panel, let's just plug it in here and see how this works. I've never actually seen it, so let's see how this works. I'm gonna push the button. Oh, and there you go. Okay, so this is as much as is going, right? If I press it again. Okay, so you just press it once. It goes up and down. You just press it once. Okay, there you go. You did it a few times. But from what I've read, when this happens, there is a little thing inside here that you twist, and you keep doing this as trial and error until it covers all the way. If you didn't want to do that, you could do something like this. It'll hold it in place if you wanted to do that. But we'll try to take the screwdriver and try to adjust this a little bit, see how it works. So let me put it back in. Well, it is working every time, so that is actually working. And let me see if I have enough wire for it to go across. I do have exactly enough wire to make this go across. This actually works great. That means I don't need the extension cable that I've got here, just in case. I don't need that. This is exactly enough wire where I can just put this across here. This should be a place where I can, there you go. So the wire can come down here and I'll stick it in this panel. But first, let me fix this. All right, guys, if you wanted this or anything else at Handsaw website, you know my code EETesla. Go ahead and get yours for the summer. Look at this, I'm all covered up. Look at this, no more glass box. I'm completely secured. Go ahead and get yours at Handsaw today, EETesla. Get anything, 20% off, whatever you like. I have tons of Handsaw accessories here. Make sure you check out my channel for all the other stuff. And until then, see you guys on the next one.